afternoon. It's currently 4:08 p.m. And kakagaling ko lang sa grocery. May mga kailangan akong ayusin yung mga pinamili ko. Pero bago yan, papakainin ko muna si Bella. Got the usual. And ayusin muna natin to. Naglolo ko din yung projector ko, guys. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Okay, so I'm gonna fix everything na pinamili ko. Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 11. Happy 11/11. Pag ako nagising, guys, actually, gising na ako kaninang mga 9:30. Tapos, bumangon lang ako ng mag-11. I know late na siya for some people, pero maaga na yun for me as a mid-shift person. Hey guys, update. It's currently 12:16 p.m. na and I'm gonna start working na. Kasi actually nagbago na ako ng shift for this month and next month. Nag-morning shift na ako. So gusto ko kasi ayusin na yung sleeping schedule ko. So kung maging normal na siya. So titry ko mag-morning shift for this month. Hindi naman siya super morning. 12 to 1 p.m. kang nagsistart mag-work. Considered as morning shift pa din siya. Gagawa ko ng presentation for our October's Connect, which is on Thursday. So, ayun. Sabi ko kasi goal na matapos dapat today para ma-review siya tomorrow. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. Guys, just a little update. It's currently 6:58 and I just want to take a break. Actually, hindi pa ako nagiging productive as of the moment. Pero Tuesday pa lang. So, meron pa akong 3 days para bumawi. Anyway, I just have a little DIY project for today. Kung mapapansin nyo sa mga vlogs ko, yung cortina ko na to, sayad siya, so masyado siyang mahaba. This one is a 7 feet curtain. Pero, the problem is, before ang binili ko 6 feet, bitin naman siya. Konti lang talaga yung sobra sa kanya. Parang, itong dulo na to. Yun lang yung sobra. So, pag ginanyan ko siya, magiging okay na ulit siya. And actually, tinahi ko to, yung dulo. Pero, na-realize ko, nag-search ako sa YouTube, sa TikTok, kung ano yung pwedeng remedy para ma-alter ko siya. Na-discover ko na meron palang ganitong product. This is from Heat and Bond. Binili ko lang to sa Shopee. Kailangan nyo lang nito and plancha. So, let's try it today if okay. Turn item inside out. I have to make sure na I'm doing this right. So, manood tayo. Okay. And then, I think I don't need to measure na kasi ito lang. Ito talaga. Sobra siya. I-fold ko lang ng ganyan. Okay, I think this size muna. Dito ko lalagay ito. Ooh! Yeah, it worked. Perfect. So, tatapusin ko lang to lahat and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Hello everyone! Update, it's 9:49 p.m. and I am back home na. Actually, kanina pa, mga around 6:30. Hindi ako nakapag-update kasi nakatulog ako. But anyway, this is our final hair. Di ko na siya na-vlog nung ginugupitan tsaka ini-style kasi medyo madaming tao, so ang daming nangyayari sa paligid. So, medyo na-overwhelm ako. But yeah, this is the color of my hair right now. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo ano yung inspo na pinakita ko. Ito, ayan yung pinakita kong hair color na gusto ko. It's giving red and brown. But this one, more on nasa red side siya. Pero kasi sabi sa akin ng hairstylist, pag mag-fade daw to, mas magbe-blend pa daw yung color nilang dalawa. Ayun, nagpa-treatment lang ako. By the way, yung kinuha kong package is yung may treatment, color, tsaka haircut. So, ayun. What do you think, guys? Kasi medyo na-boring na ako sa brown, light brown. Tapos, pag tumagal, parang nagiging kalawang yung itsura ng buhok ko. But yeah, this is my hair. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung likod. Okay, so, lumipat ako ng pwesto para mas mapakita ko sa inyo yung 360. This is how it looks like. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. 4:49 p.m. At may dumating akong package kahapon. So, ngayon ko lang siya nakuha. Okay, guys. So, if you've watched my previous vlogs, you would know na may mga tinatry akong bagong skincare products. So, I've been trying skincare products from Skin 1004. Hindi to sponsored. Pero kasi it's been a month since nung bumili ako ng mga travel size nila. It's time to buy their full size. So, nag-repurchase na ako. So, as usual, meron sila ng mga sachet na freebie. Ay, ang dami pala. Okay, so we have ito, yung full size. Hyaluronica Water Fit Sun Serum. Nagustuhan ko to, guys. Kasi daw nag-breakout. Madalas nag-breakout ako, but this time daw nag-breakout. I think nakuha ko lang to ng 300 pesos. So, sobrang sulit. I have another 6. So, at least, meron na akong mabibit-bit na mga for emergency purposes na sunscreen. And if ever naubusan ako, meron akong extra. They gave me a freebie. I'm gonna use this every daytime. Wow, it's color pink. I like it. I got the trio. Ito yung sinasabi kong parang gold line nila. Okay, first is, nare-purchase ko yung toner. This is my second bottle already. Ayan. Moisturizing cream nila. So, nag-repurchase na ako ng bigger size. Yung binili ko lang last time is yung travel size and nagustuhan ko din siya. So, and lastly, repurchase ko lang ulit. So, this is my second bottle. I got it in 55 ml. I'm so happy kasi skincare is life, guys. Hello everyone, dinner break. It's currently 7:31 and today we're gonna make tuna pasta. So it's been a while since nagpasta ako, so gusto ko siyang gawin today. Okay, let's cook the pasta. First things first. Nagpapakulo lang ako ng water and then tayin ko lang siya kumulo para malagay na natin tong pasta natin. Okay, so nagbo-boil na yung water. Lagay na tayo ng pasta. I think ubusin ko na to. Timer lang natin. Siguro mga 8 minutes. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, sa mata.